Hello, good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. Today I will teach you subject maths, topic big and small. Okay? Big यानी कि बड़ा और small यानी छोटा. Okay? Look at the blackboard, children. Which picture is this? Tree. Yes. Which one is big and which one is small? Yes. This tree is big and this tree is small. Okay. Big and small. Okay. This tree is big and this tree is small. Okay. Big यानी बड़ा. Big, small. Big, small. Big, small. Understand, children? Next. Which picture is this, children? Yes, ball. Which one is big and which one is small? Yes, first one is small and second is big. Okay, so now this small and this big. Understand? Okay, next look at here, children. Which picture is this? Ice cream cone. Yes. Do you like ice cream? Okay. Now, which one is big and which one is small? Students, look at here. Yes, first one is big ice cream cone and then small. Okay. So, big and small. Okay. Understand? Big, small. Big, small. Next, which picture is this? Stars. Yes. Which one is big and which one is small? Tell me. Yes. First one is small and second big. Okay. Big, small. Big, small. Okay. Next one. Which picture is this, children? Yes, cloud. Okay. Which one is big? Yes, first one is big and then small. So look at here. Big cloud and this one is small cloud. Okay. Big, small. Big, small. Big, small. Okay. Which picture is this, children? Apples. Yes. Which one is big? Yes. First one is big. And this is a small apple. Okay. First one is small. Small apple and big apple. Small, big. Small, big. Okay. Next one. Which picture is this, students? Chocolates. Yes. Which one is big and which one is small, students? Tell me. Yes. First one is small and this one is big. Small, big. So this chocolate is small and this chocolate is big. Okay. Understand, children? Next. Which picture is this, students? Balloons. Yes. small. Okay, understand? Repeat one more time. Big, small. Big, small. Big, small. Okay. Now look at here, children. Look at here, children. Which animal is this? Which animal is this? Lion. Yes. Which one is big and which one is small, children? Give me answer. Which lion is big and which lion is small? Yes, this lion is big and this lion is small. Okay. Big lion, small lion. Big, small. Big, small. Okay. Next, look at here. Which fruit is this? Yes, apple. Its color is red. Yes. Which apple is big and which apple is small? Tell me, students. Yes, this apple is small and this apple is big. Small, big. Small apple, big apple. Small apple, big apple. Okay. Now next, students. Which animal is this? Zebra. Yes, Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Now, which one is big and which one is small? Zebra. Yes, this one is big zebra and this one is small. Big, small. Big, small. Okay, students, do you understand? Big, small. Big, small. Okay. Now look at the textbook. Some examples. Hello children, look at here. Big and small. An elephant is big. A sparrow is small. Okay. Elephant is big and sparrow is small. Okay. Now put right tick mark on the smaller object. Okay. Means children, ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, ये जो पिक्चर्स है, उसमें जो स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट है उसके ऊपर हमें ये बॉक्स दिया गया है, उसमें हमें राइट करना है. ठीक है. सो नाउ लुक एट हियर. विच वन इज स्मॉल? फ्रॉग एंड एंट. विच वन इज स्मॉल? यस, एंट इज स्मॉल. सो यू राइट हियर. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट, ट्री and small plant. Okay, so which one is small? Yes, plant is small, so you tick here right. Okay. Next, which picture is this? Balls. Yes, which one is small? This one is big and this one is small, so you tick here. Understand, children? Next, which picture is this? Fruit. Yes, this is a watermelon and this one is banana. So which fruit is small? Yes, watermelon is big and banana is small. So you tick here right. Okay. Students, look at here. Big and small. I am big. I am small. And an elephant big and rabbit is small. Okay. Tick right the bigger and cross the smaller animal. Okay. जो बिग है वहाँ हमें राइट करना है और जो स्मॉल है वहाँ हमें क्रॉस करना है, ठीक है। सो नाउ विच वन इज बिग? यस, लायन इज बिग, सो यू राइट हियर, एंड mouse is small, so you cross here. Understand? Next, birds. Yes, this is a peacock and this one is parrot. So peacock is big, so you write here, and parrot is small, so you cross here. Okay? Next, look at here, children. Look at the pictures. The baby elephant is small. Okay. The mother elephant is big. The baby elephant's belly is small. The mother elephant's belly is big. Okay. ये बेबी एलिफेंट है जो स्मॉल है, एंड दिस वन इज मदर एलिफेंट इज बिग. जो बेबी है उसका बेल स्मॉल है, स्मॉल, एंड मदर एलिफेंट का बेल कैसा है? बिग. ओके, सो स्मॉल बिग, स्मॉल बिग. ओके, circle the small butterfly with red crayon and big butterfly with yellow crayon. ओके, सो ये स्मॉल है, उसके ऊपर मैं पेंसिल से कर रही हूँ सर्कल, लेकिन आपके पास अगर रेड क्रेयन और येलो क्रेयन है तो उससे सर्कल करना है, ठीक है. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ तक हमने रिवीजन किया, ठीक है. अभी आपके पास जो सीनियर केजी की मैथ्स की पार्ट 1 है उसमें हम स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है. अगर आपने नहीं ली है तो आप स्कूल में आके टेक्स्ट बुक नोटबुक ले जा सकते हैं, ठीक है. सीनियर केजी मैथ्स टेक्स्ट बुक पार्ट 1. ओके, बिग एंड स्मॉल. टिक राइट बिग एनिमल एंड क्रॉस the small animal. Okay, so now which one is big and which one is small? Yes, this one is small, so you cross here, and this one is big, so you write here. Okay, next, horse and mouse, rat. So horse is big and rat is small, so you write here big and small, so you cross here. Okay, next, yes, lion is big and monkey is small, so you write here, and small, so you cross here. Okay, butterfly and an elephant. So butterfly is small, so you cross here, and elephant is big, so you write here. Okay students, do you understand how to do this exercise? Okay, so students, do practice at your home. Take care. Bye. Have a nice day.